Firstly, always quality of team. Now, that is a subjective standpoint, and it will be subjective for every single investor based on investor preference. But ultimately, such a huge percentage comes down to the quality of the team that it would be ridiculous to not mention it in this segment. The second thing that we always look for, and maybe something that you don't hear from every investor, is what we refer to as a fundamental understanding of what good looks like. In our view, discipline is easy to preach, but hard to teach. So we get a lot of founders that approach us and say, look, you see that? We're ignoring that now and we'll just deal with it later, which is fine. But ultimately, what we want to understand is that, does the founder understand what good looks like between seed and Series A, and can they achieve that? The reason being is that if we can work from a really good baseline, then we know that when we start pulling levers around things like customer acquisition cost and where those things might start to really increase, we know what the benchmark is, we know how the company's operated before, and we know that the company knows what good looks like and what it's aiming for. And that can be a really strong pull factor when looking for future investment, ultimately things like future acquisition.